Good day everyone. So in this presentation, I'll be discussing the topic that I choose that have a title of Engineering for Social Good, Integrating DEI, Technology Access, and Environmental Justice for Marginalized Communities. What to learn? How we, as AB engineers, can be involved in or impact the field or topic you have chosen. How the developments in the field or topic can impact the practice of AV engineering in the country or the world. The professional and ethical responsibilities of AV engineers in the field or topic you chose. So let's proceed in introduction. Introduction. I choose the topic social responsibility. So let's begin with some basic information. Through their initiatives and discoveries, AB engineers significantly contribute to the development of society. Their work affects social dynamics, resource accessibility, and community well-being. In addition to its technical accomplishments, the equitable distribution of the advantage of engineering breakthroughs across all societal groups is guaranteed when diversity, equity, and exclusivity (DEI) concepts are incorporated into engineering procedures, with technical solutions helping to elevate neglected population. This comprehensive approach promotes a more just and equitable world. Engineering for social good. Engineering for social good emphasizes the role of engineering in advancing societal well-being. It involves using engineering skills and principles to address social issues, improve quality of life, and create positive community impacts. Dito din papasok yung pagsuot ng mga safety gears gaya ng safety shoes upang masigurado na hindi ka makakatapak ng matutulis na bagay gaya ng pako at ng pagsuot din ng helmet at ng iba pa. Siyempre, responsibilidad din ng mga engineers or ng mga companies na masigurado yung safety ng mga trabahador nila. At siyempre, responsibilidad din nila kung may mangyari mang na masama sa mga trabahador nila, kaya kailangan na kumpleto yung pagsuot ng mga PPEs. A. How we, as AB engineers, can be involved in or impact the field or topic. As an AB engineers, we can actively contribute to integrating DEI, technology access, and environmental justice into our work in several ways by promoting DEI. Hiring practices. Advocate and implement inclusive hiring practices to build a diverse workforce. Workplace culture. Foster an inclusive workplace culture that values and respects diverse perspectives. AB engineers can take an active role in advancing DEI by making sure hiring procedures are varied, encouraging inclusive workplace cultures, and taking part in outreach initiatives target at underrepresented communities. In order to provide fair access to technology, participation in projects aimed at closing the digital divide through the creation of accessible and reasonably priced technical solutions is recommended. For projects that focus environmental justice and make sure that technical solutions do not disproportionately impact underprivileged population, AB engineer can also work with community organizations. B. How the developments in the field or topic can impact the practice of AB engineering in the country or the world. Developments in integrating DEI, technology access, and environmental justice can significantly transform the practice of AB engineering, including global standards. Establishing high standards for ethical and socially responsible engineering practices can influence global engineering norms and expectations. Community trust. engaging with and addressing the needs of marginalized communities can build trust and strengthen the relationship between engineers and the societies they serve. AB engineering methods can be drastically changed by advancement in environmental justice, technological access, and DEI. Engineering companies may foster varied viewpoints and come up with creative solutions and better problem solving techniques by incorporating DEI concepts. A more diverse engineering community and more equal economic growth can result from increased access to technology, which can democratic knowledge. Engineering projects that prioritize environmental justice are more likely to be sustainable and socially responsible, which increase community trust and engagement. New international benchmarks for more and social conscious engineering practices may be established by these developments. C. The professional and ethical responsibilities of AB engineers in the field or topic. Promoting and putting DEI concepts into reality is an ethical and professional obligation for AB engineers. This entails aggressively combating prejudices, making sure everyone is treated fairly, and giving everyone the same opportunity. In addition, engineers should give accessibility first priority while developing technology solutions, keeping underprivileged group demands in mind. AB engineers are in charge of carrying out exhaustive impact assessments and implementing sustainable methods in order to lessen negative effects on underprivileged group in terms of environmental justice. By fulfilling this obligation, one not only upholds moral principles but also strengthens the integrity and social worth of the engineering professions. And also engineers have a professional and ethical duty to advocate to DEI. Promote fairness and inclusivity in all aspects of engineering practice. Challenge biases and work towards equitable opportunities for all individuals. By fulfilling these responsibilities, AB engineers can ensure that their work not only advances technological progress but also promotes social equity and environmental sustainability, ultimately contributing to a better and more just world. And emphasizing social good. Agricultural and biosystem engineer can make sure that their work promotes constructive social improvements, which will ultimately result in a world that is more accessible, inclusive, and environmentally just. In their professions, engineers have an obligation to prioritize environmental justice, guarantee fair access to technology, and promote DEI. This entails a dedication to raising the standard of living for every member of the community, ethical decision making, and ongoing education. In particular, engineering possesses the potential to significantly advance environmental justice, technological access, and diversity, equality, and inclusions (DEI) for marginalized populations to be empowered and for inclusive, sustainable solutions to be created. Integrations is essential.
Even